not supposed to say anything, Matt.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, jeez. Jinx it.
happens to us, so I think you guys have brought us good luck.
Oh my gosh. Same to you, because it's like here.
Totally.
Tell us where and when.
We're
Totally
not the kind
right.
of people that you can say that to, because we will take you up on it.
Totally.
Whether you expect that or not, I've had friends who go like, hey, you should come use when I go. I'm like, let's warm up.
All right, cool. So here we are. We are on
Lovely.
Rain Lake. We're just out for the weekend. We have our friends John and Katie over there in their boat. So we've just paddled the distance on Rain Lake. We're just pulling up to the first portage here. Gonna head into Sawyer Lake and then one more portage after that into Jubilee Lake. So that's where we're gonna stay for the first night. All right, just a little 310 to get things going.
Not as majestic.
No.
I'm terrified.
It's terrifying.
Yeah, you don't think it's gonna be.
All of a sudden you realize you can't hide behind a tree.
Yeah, and it's not
No.
like, it's not like you got out of your car or something. You know?
Talking about moose. Wow. Yeah, that sounds amazing. You good? Traces right through the bog again. All right, we just pulled up to a site here. Worst put in of all time. What do you think of this site?
3 out of 10.
Yeah, it's not great, eh? This is it. I mean, there is like maybe 1.5 good tent sites. But yeah, John and Katie kept going just to see if there were any better sites, because why not? I mean, this one's kind of good because it gets the evening sun, but ultimately, like, if we could find something better, that'd be cool. I guess we are only here for one day, so it's not really that big of a deal, but I mean, the lake is pretty small, so it's easy enough to just cruise around and see what we can find. Hopefully they find something a little better. Starbucky. Bucky.
Okay.
All right.
It's nice. It's nice and open in there. Yeah. It certainly doesn't suck.
Better than the woodland dungeon over there on the other side.
Yeah, exactly.
Woodland dungeon. Yeah, I'm not in for that. Okay, cool. All right, let's get our stuff out. Hey, cool.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Yeah. It'll burn for a little bit, and it's just helpful, right? It's,
Yeah.
whether it's wet or not, it'll.
Stuff kind of sucks. Let's see. Let's see some of this stuff I broke up.
Well, that's Maddie's stuff over there, right? Yeah.
Yes,
You
I
can't
guess
use
so.
that.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Don't use that.
Everybody knows that. Here's some drier stuff, Maddie. If you need like, you just like dry things
Yeah,
I broke
go
up
ahead.
recently. Yourself this irresponsible.
Yo, I had to get it going, player.
This is crazy. It's like this is the actual fire,
Good. That doesn't look like too much.
and then that's Maddie's
So a fair bit.
rager he's got going on there.
Whatever. I just know how much you eat.
Good Lord. Okay.
Yeah, you're a bushball.
Yeah, because even like that BoJack Horseman, like I kind of like some of it, but
I love it.
So cool.
I know.
So cool.
There you go, bud.
A lumpy spot.
All right, good morning. We just finished having our breakfast and some coffee. It rained a little bit before we all got out of our tents today, which, you know, kind of sucked a little bit, but it looks to be clearing up. I don't think it's really going to be too much of a sunny day, probably be a little bit overcast. It's pretty cold last night for me, but hey, still slept okay. It was really quiet, which, I mean, sorry, Bucky's hunting squirrels right now. So we're just about to pack up all of our stuff and get going. We are going to be doing a huge portaging route today, which I can show you on the map here. So yeah, we need to pretty much just get started with that because it's going to be an all-day job. All right, cool. So we're just about to take off. We are just on this site in Jubilee Lake there. What we want to do is, here, I'll use my other hand for the shadow here. We're going to do this 450, this 180, around the corner, do this 410, paddle through Cranebill, and then this bad boy, this 2100 here, it's a black line, so it means it's unmaintained. So that'll be some kind of fun. This 40 here, right over top of this railroad track, I read about that. Apparently it's just like straight up and straight down, so that'll be interesting to check out. Then where you're lucky, we have a bit of a paddle. This is an adventure day, but I'm stoked. Awesome, we're just about to set off from our first campsite and head to our second one here. This put in, it was definitely tricky. You can't really see, but all underneath is all kinds of rocks. It's like impossible to get the boat anywhere near it.
quite the tight wire. They're really not.
Holy, that was a punishing one. Right uphill and then right downhill. I'm very glad that is over with. We're at Wan Lake. We were talking about it earlier, how much we hate just pond hopping from one portage to the next. And here we are. There it is. And there it is. Great. We're getting blessed with all these wonderful put-ins today. Look at all this yellow paint on all these rocks. This is crazy. Just eats boats for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That didn't work out for him in Ottawa.
Yeah, you know, I gave it a shot.
And
Secretly, I'm happy because I really like you and I'm happy.
Yeah, I like Drew too. He's a good guy.
Drew's gonna love this part of the video. I got it filming out front here. We love you, Drew! Good job.
Yeah, totally.
Holy, look at the start of this unmaintained. So we're just about to start the 2100 from Cranebill to Islet Lake. Look at this already. Woohoo! We stoked or what? Oh, yeah. Whew. Just working on this unmaintained portage here. Oh boy, a little uppy downy. Nice, what have we got here?
Some kind of a bone.
That's really cool. I guess Bucky found those, eh?
She sure did.
Wow.
I would guess a moose. Like, that's really big.
That is huge. Wow, that's really cool. Nice.
It mustn't be very old, eh? It still has some
like sinew or
Yeah.
whatever on it. Whoa, I kind of want to touch it, but I don't want to be weird and touch it.
Oh.
Holy man, look at that. So yeah, the spine and its pelvis is back there. Whoa,
Amazing.
that's really wild. Wow. Oh man, that's so big. You can still see the discs in the spine.
Yeah, you sure can.
We just came out of this really overgrown part of the portage there. Look at this big, beautiful rock, all covered in moss. Oh, so cool. This has definitely been a bit of a slog, but I feel like we can almost see some light through the trees here. I did have to put down the big pack, but I will go back for it. Put it beside one of the boats, so maybe I'll have a team member doing that. And we haven't seen anybody double back yet, so who knows how long we have to go. Side too, look at these cool mushrooms. That's so neat.
I've never seen that before.
If anybody knows what these are, please tell me.
To get the canoes out there.
Are you gonna drag all our stuff out there, bud? Oh, that's the cutest.
So there's a portage I can see from
Oh
here.
God, look at this. Gotta get through sucky muck. Excuse me, there's a portage within view?
Yeah.
Oh no! There it is. Oh, damn.
All right, well, you know.
Oh, we're already this far.
We've done this like front to back, so this is...
I was thinking that, I'll get here and I'll filter some water.
No, not here.
It's okay, spirits are high. Woo! I think we're all faking it. Yeah, this is straight up nightmare, eh?
A little bit.
Oh boy.
Okay, John, I'm gonna pass this to you via the seat here.
What even is this, Weed Lake or something like that?
I think it is.
Oh,
It's called Weed Lake.
I think so, and I think we understand why.
Aptly named.
Ew. Oh no, God! Oh no. Oh Lord, okay. Well, you're pushing the boat out now. Oh God. Uh-oh.
Just so you know, it's really, really sinking.
Yeah,
right there.
thank you.
Yeah.
Wow.
I found it.
Oh my God. Holy.
Yeah, totally.
So this is that little 40-meter portage after that grueling 2100, and it just goes up and down. We're on the end of it now. We're on Islet Lake. This is a nice big lake. We get to paddle for a little bit. It's okay. It looks like it's getting a little windy though, so we're just gonna be paddling, but it's gonna be into the headwinds. There we go. Okay, so we pulled over at a site on Islet Lake, and check it out. Holy. So it's really, really windy here. You can kind of see that we're a little bit sheltered a bit by the trees and the rocks over in that direction. So it's like a bit of an arc of protection here. However, out on the lake is like absolutely crazy. I was really excited about coming out here and doing this trip because I wanted to do some smaller lakes, just in, you know, juxtaposition to what we were doing in Quantico and even last weekend on North T. Those are just really large lakes, and yeah, this really hasn't paid off, that decision, because I mean, it's been a lot of portaging, which has been totally fine. And then this, like, this isn't even a big lake. I feel personally attacked by the wind at this point. I'm taking it very personally. Got all of our tents set up and everything. And I just want to draw your attention to this amazing tarp pitch that Matt set up here. Pretty good. Got the top one going in the middle. Hoisted up on a tree. It's looking good. I'm trying to compliment your tarp pitch.
Nice.
Some lazy day camp vibes. Some rainy day camp vibes. There is a squirrel though that's been, or sorry, not a squirrel, a chipmunk that's been running like in and out from underneath the boat, and it's been driving Starbuck insane. I think she just keeps trying to get it, and now she's like, I know where you're gonna be. So she won't look away. Oh, sorry, Bucky. Nice. Here's our tent setup. Not very much space, but you know what? It's gonna work. Starbuck, come on. Good girl, bud. Everybody's foraging. Yeah? I wonder if that's part of the western uplands. Wow, look at this big tree that fell over. That's nuts. This has been the trip of moose poop. Honestly, everywhere we're going, there are just piles and piles of moose poop. Oh God. Starbuck, hold on, buddy. I brought my new favorite camping delicacy, my re-dehydrated homemade spaghetti sauce with beef. So I'm gonna have that again tonight. Super delicious. Matt's gonna use a twig stove and boil up some water for himself, but I'm much more hungry than that, so I just wanted to use the jet oil and make this up quickly. Okay. Oof. Oh yeah, shoot, I almost need the gloves. Ooh, the wind is picking up. Alright, what's this spoon? That's cool. Let's see.
Fun, huh?
Someone made that for you?
Yeah. My
That's
friend,
nice.
what's his name?
It's
Big
Brett,
Bear Wood
Brett
Shack.
Andrews.
Cool.
At Big Bear Wood Shack.
Yeah.
Nice.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. It's good for outback eating.
No doubt. Yeah, no doubt.
What?
No, it's not in here.
Oh well.
I don't know where it is. Oh God. What kind of veggies have you got in there?
Dehydrated red, green, and yellow pepper.
Mm-hmm.
And they're just kind of chewy.
Yeah,
Oh,
they're
okay.
crunchy, chewy.
Yeah, they're not rehydrating nicely.
I mean, they're not inedible, obviously, but they're just. What are you thinking? What does it smell like?
Something I should try. Alright, sweet. We're just about to light up this fire here. Matt's gonna light it up. John put it together. It's got this cool little fire starter thing in it, so they've been out hanging on their barrel for a bit.
Oh, that's
Lord.
really dangerous.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, it smells like a firework.
Are you sure that's the right thing to be doing in there? Well, we'll see how this works, I guess. Looks pretty good so far. And we'll just see if we got some good wood. Are you okay?
I think so, yeah.
Good morning. This is day 3. It's our last day. We're on our site on Islet Lake, and we're actually super lucky. We got pretty lucky yesterday. The portage that we came from was off in that direction there. It was so windy that we just kind of thought, hey, let's just stop somewhere for lunch. So then we ended up at this site here, and it was actually really awesome. So we just decided to stay here, and right over there is our portage out of here. So we just have to take that portage into Hot Lake, and then there's one more back into Rain Lake, and then we only have half of Rain Lake to do. So I think that was an awesome little loop. We did Rain to Jubilee to Islet, so that's a cool little loop, especially if you wanted to challenge yourself with that super long portage. I have always actually been very curious about the status of that portage, because this is an area of the park I've never been to, and I've often wanted to come in here, but it is a commitment to portaging to pretty much get anywhere through here because the lakes aren't very big, so it's give and take, right? The paddling should be a little more chill, but I mean, there will be more portages. Ooh. So I'm super stoked to have checked it out. I love looking at maps, and I've been staring at that 2100 for ages now, so I'm happy that we did it. We know what it's all about. I can check it off my list and think about something else. Nice, the tarp survived the night. It rained last night, but it was pretty nice. It was a really good sleep last night. The wind and the rain, I guess it sounds like a bad combo, but you don't hear anything else. Hey man, it stood the test of one night. Sometime.
Not bad.
How are you today?
Not bad.
That's good. That's good. We don't have far to go, don't worry.
Yeah, we're good.
I don't know if it's my sweater or this tarp or what. I just smell a campfire. I just permanently smell like a campfire. Oh, look at it. A trifecta of poop in one area. fishing lure up in this tree, like maybe right here-ish. That's insane. I was just looking around and I could see, I was like, man, that's a crazy spider web. Nope, fishing line. Just you crushing it through the woods.
He's going this way.
Little turtle sighting somewhere under the water.
It's so awesome. The soil is just coming off of his.
Oh, really? You must have been there for a bit, eh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Got leeches on him.
No way. Where is he?
Right
You might
there.
see his head pop up. Hope he comes
Where the
up.
bubbles are there. Yeah, he's might just.
I can't see him anymore.
I think he's just gonna stay there.
Huh.
Lost him in the
Oh,
shadows.
there he goes. He's moving again.
This is pretty cool though. It's like nice and see-through green.
That was neat. He's covered in like a big layer of mud.
That's really cool.
We parked right on him. Sorry, dude.
That's why they have those
You can
shells.
see him from here.
Can you? Neat.
Yeah.
Canoe-proof shells. Wow. Good girl, Bucky. Look at this. This dog, such a good girl. That's so crazy. I don't know why I'm whispering. He's underwater.
Oh, dude, he's still got stuff coming off.
That's so neat.
Like, he must have been hibernating in here for a bit because he had layers of mud on him.
And leeches, you could see it.
Yeah, you saw that too. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope so. It's a rain lake. Yep. Here.
Look at how long his freaking neck is.
Wow, that's amazing. Whew, just a little bit. Oh, perfect. Okay.
It's a little rooty, but it's manageable.
Better than this little crick here. All right, cool. Let's do it. I don't see. Oh, there comes Maddie through the woods. All right, Starbucks already 2 kilometers ahead of me. Ooh, keep that tail up, son.
Yep. And I'm just gonna come by you, Rach.
Oh, sure. Yeah, this is quite the doozy. Oh, God. Okay.
Nice.
We're all good. Do that again.
That was actually not that bad. Really.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was,
No, that
a good
was.
trip.
I mean, it was pretty flat.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
By comparison to what we have been doing. So.
Those are some of the hillier portages we will definitely
Oh my
get to there
god,
anyway.
that was a lot of elevation gain. I kept waiting.
That was only up.
Yeah.
And it was.
Yeah.
Just kept going this way.
Oh my God.
Worth
What
it, though.
the heck is
Totally.
she doing?
I would do it again.
Yeah, that was a pretty epic day
Not bad.
of epic trip of portaging.
Because we're going that way, right?
Left.
Left.
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah.
Back on Rain
I
Lake.
knew that.
Okay, cool. We just finished the last portage of the trip. Woohoo! So exciting. So we're back on Rain Lake now. Just headed to the takeout. It's a long, skinny lake. It got a little bit windy. We were hoping that the winds would be in our favor today, but alas, they're not. So here we go. We're setting off. It's really beautiful out here. It's a beautiful day, so it'll be a nice way to cap off our weekend. Rocking my shot. All right, cool. We're just finishing up our journey here all together. We're just about to hit the takeout here back at Rain Lake. John and Katie are just behind us a little bit there. This has been an awesome trip. It was definitely a commitment to portaging, but you know what? That's okay. Got it done. We're all feeling good. Spirits are high at the end of the trip, so that's really all that matters. Great, so that wraps up this trip. Thanks so much for watching. As always, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. That really does a lot to help me, and I would really appreciate it. So until then, have fun adventuring, and we'll see you next time. Nice. How you guys feeling at the end of the trip?
Good.
Super.
Awesome.
Lovely.
That was a terrific trip.
Just hard enough.
Right. How about you, Maddie?
Good times as always.
All right.
When's the next one?
Right? Yeah.